Modern and robust, the facelifted BMW X7 has been revealed, and it features the newly developed engines with the latest 48-volt mild hybrid technology. The worldwide market launch for the new X7 will get underway in August 2022, and at the launch the customers will be able to choose between the three engine variants offered. A latest generation 6-cylinder inline engine makes its debut in the BMW X7 xDrive 40i. The output of the new engine is 47 horsepower up on the predecessor unit at 380 horsepower, while peak torque rises by 70 Nm to 520 Nm and can be boosted to as much as 540 Nm with the input of the mild hybrid system. For customers who want diesel, there is a BMW X7 xDrive 40D with upgraded 6-cylinder inline diesel engine producing 352 horsepower and 720 Nm of torque with the input of the mild hybrid system. Top of the line is the BMW X7 M60i xDrive with the new 4.4-liter petrol V8 with 530 horsepower and 750 Nm of torque. Tell me in the comments how do you like this car, and subscribe for more.